Hi guys, in this video I will guide you on how to airdrop from a Samsung phone to an iPhone. Particularly this is the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, and with the newest Samsung update you can now easily airdrop any photo, video, document or file from your Samsung phone, for now the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, to any iPhone and vice versa. So you can also airdrop from an iPhone to your Samsung phone as well. First things first, you have to go over to the settings of your Samsung phone, navigate all the way down to the about option, and then you want to scroll down. Then make sure that under software updates there is actually no update available for you, and if there is any update, just go ahead and update your Samsung phone as well. Once you're sure that your Samsung phone is running on the latest updates, to airdrop from your Samsung phone to your iPhone, you want to open up that particular photo. Take for instance, I want to airdrop this image. I'll just go ahead and tap on the share icon at the bottom over here and then tap on quick share. At this point, your Samsung phone will start to search for available devices, and then on your iPhone as well, you want to make sure that airdrop is actually set to for everyone. So come over to the control center on your iPhone, tap on airdrop, and then make sure it is set to everyone for 10 minutes, and automatically your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra should be able to find the name of your iPhone. You can see mine. Go ahead and select it, give it a couple of seconds, tap on accept from over here, and now you should be able to get your photos, videos or any documents directly from your Samsung phone to your iPhone. And this also works with the iPhone as well. So if you also want to airdrop to the Samsung phone, all you just have to do is to go ahead and select that particular photo. So take for instance this one. I'll just go ahead and tap on this, then tap on airdrop, give it a couple of seconds, and it should be able to find my Samsung phone as well. If it is unable to find the name of your Samsung phone, all you can do is to go over to the settings of your Samsung phone, scroll over to connected devices, and then to quick share at the top. Now scroll down a little bit and you're going to see the share with Apple devices. Make sure this is turned on, and then go over to your control center, come over to where we have this shortcut, and then tap on the quick share contacts option, just like so. And now your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is ready to receive devices. You can also see my iPhone has just found it. So what you want to do is to just select on it and then click on accept and give it a couple of seconds. You should now be able to receive your photos, videos and documents on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If this was helpful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.